Hi friends, we have seen the modules concept. Module is like a file which consists of the variables and functions and classes. You using the import statement or import result keyword. We are going to import that keyword. We are going to see the some built-in built-in modules, built-in modules in Python. There are some built-in modules in Python like math module in Python. This is a math module in Python. There are some in math module. There are some built-in methods. The math module consists of the some methods like ceil, ceil, comb, like copy sign, fabs, factorial, and floor, fmod. These are unnecessary argument. The unnecessary methods. Some methods are like GCD, like is closed. These are methods are present in the math module. Is infinite, is info, is nan, is square root, like this LCM. These are called the some math modules. These are present in the math module. If you want to see the math module methods, like sorry, we are going to see import. First, we are going to import the math module. Next, print functions present in the math modules mean functions and different types of variables present in the math modules means dir of math. Like this, you can print. If try to copy and paste here and Python test.py. See, there are different types of methods present in the math module like see, we have seen that copy sign, fmod, fr express, fsum, gamma, gcd. These are methods present in the math module. If you want to see one by one method like print of math, print of math of ci. These are called pi. This will give the some constant value. See, 3.1415, like this. This value is the pi value. If you want to see after that seal 10.2, if you want to give the 10.2 means it will give seal value. Like after the 10 value, it will give. If you want to see floor, print of math of floor of 10.2 means it will give the 10 is the answer. If you want to see the methods present in the layer of math, see. These are methods like one method called SQRT, square root. If you take value equals to or number is equals to 16, I have 10. Square root of print of math dot sqrt of number. Sqrt of number. Okay, we got the 4.0 is the answer. 4.0 is the answer. If you see the if you see the methods like math dot math, there is a called there is a method called GCD. GCD of print of math dot GCD of 3 comma 12 greatest common divisor. See, we got the 3 is the answer. 3 is the common between these both greatest common. Like 3 is the divide between the 3 and 12. If you take the 4 and 12, greatest common divisor. We got the 4 is the answer. Like if you take the LCM like this, math dot LCM of 4 comma 12. If you take LCM, we got the 12 is the answer. LCM is the least common multiple. Least common multiple. GCD is the greatest common divisor. We have studied in the mathematics like this. These two. If you want to see the here of, don't remember these methods and see from the DAR of method, DAR of method. See if you try to execute. If you want to see if you want to use this underscore name means it will give the name of the module. See if you print of math dot underscore name. See math. You try to I'm commenting this one and execute once again. Math for 12. I got. See if you see that package also if underscore spec also uh, print of math dot underscore package and which package it consists of and math of underscore doc if you want to see doc also like this if you want to see these are the under methods. See math package name is not mentioned. This module provides access to the mathematical functions defined by the C standards. This one is a doc. If you know this one, see this module provides access to the mathematical functions defined by the C standards. Like this another method like these are these are referred from the this document. Can you refer these methods from the these documents like copy sign and fabs factorial one more function. If you try to print a factorial of 3, see we got the 6 factorial and a 3 factorial means like it will give the answer like 3 factorial. It will give like 3 into 2 into 1 like this it will in internally it calculates like this 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. If you take math dot factorial of if you take math dot factorial of 5 like this It will take the 5 factorial. It will convert like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 like this. It will take like a 24 into 3 uh 24 into sorry 5 fours are 20 into 3 60 into 2 to 120 like this it will convert 120 is the answer. See the console. See 120 is the answer. If you want measurements, factorial, factorial. These are also factorial of 3. This is a factorial of 5. See if we try to execute this one. This factorial of 3 is 6, factorial of 5 is 120. Like this we got. So you see once again what are the methods present in this. A cos h, a sin h. These are methods. The methods refer from this document. Sorry friends. Refer from this official document. This is the doc. This is the doc. Refer from this math.html. You see log 10. There is a one method called log 10. Let's see this how to use that log 10. In here log 10 returns the log base 10 of log x. This is the usually more accurate than the log x comma 10 like this. If you take log base 10 log base 10 of log base 10 of 10. You take 10 means it will give math dot log base 10 of 10. If you take like this, see the output. It will give 1, I think so. 1.0. See. 1, I think so. 1.0. You take log base 10 of 20. If you take math dot log of base 10 20. You see the output 1.30 like this we got 1.30 like this we got. If you take 100 log of base 10 of 100 math dot log 10 of 100 we got the 2 is the answer. See answer is 2.0. Like this we are going to use the we are going to see there is a one method called power method POW. mm, 2 power of 2 power of 5 if you take what is the value comma math dot for POW of 2 comma 5. Like this it will internally takes like 2 2 power 5 like this it will take 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like this 2 it will multiply 5 times it will give like 32 is the answer. C answer we got the 32.0 2 power like this if you take one more thing 3 3 power of 3 power of 4 if you take math dot power of 3 comma 4 3 3 power 4 if you take 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 3 like this it will give that 81 is the answer 9 into 9 81 is the answer. C we got the 81.4 the 3 power of 4 like this we are going to use the power method like this we have to see this method math module documentation and we are going to refer the each and every method special functions like these methods these are I have already seen that constants like method pi and this is a e method some method I don't know but refer this material and not only this you can refer the this Greeks for geeks also. This also consists of different types of methods, but same methods only, but in the different type of examples like math, data, tau. These are. That's all, friends. In next class, we will see the random method, and string method. String. There is a string methods are there. String modules also there. Like string methods means string module methods and random module methods. In the next class, we will see the two topics. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel.